Oh, hey there. Welcome to Watsy's Welding. I'm Dustin Watts, your host, and let me introduce you to our first build. And here it is, guys. F350. Whee! Power wheels. I always wanted one of these as a kid, but my mom would never buy me one. Oh, well, look at me now. Alright guys, I'm building a gas-powered Power Wheels. My daughter's 7th birthday is coming up in February. I'm super excited. It's going to be gas-powered, 4-wheel drive, kind of like a trophy truck. First step is tearing it apart. Alright guys, step 1, nearly complete. You Ford guys might recognize this from a time or two. Ooh, typical Ford thing. Yep, very important. And the body's all cut apart to exactly where we need it. Okay guys, first off I want to say thank you for watching my video. I'm super excited on how this thing's coming together. Trying to get it done for my daughter's 7th birthday coming up in February. I got a ton of work left to do. It looks so cool. Every kid's dream. Well, it was my dream as a kid. But like and subscribe my page, more episodes to come.